You can start building credit at 18, even if you've never borrowed money before, as long as you use an account that reports your payments to the major credit bureaus. That means you don't need existing credit to begin creating a credit history. By the end of this video, you'll know the fastest way to build credit at 18, which accounts make the most sense, and which mistakes can slow your progress. The first step is opening the right type of account. If you qualify for a student credit card or a beginner credit card, that's often the easiest place to start. If you don't qualify, a secured credit card is usually the next option. You provide a refundable security deposit, and the card works like a regular credit card, while your payment history is reported. If you don't want to use a credit card yet, look at a credit builder loan from a bank or credit union. These products are designed for people with little or no credit history, and your on-time payments help establish your credit profile. Once you have an account, use it carefully. Make 1 or 2 small purchases each month, like a streaming subscription, gas, or groceries. Then pay the full balance by the due date. You don't need to spend a lot to build credit. What matters is creating a consistent record of on-time payments. Another option is becoming an authorized user on a parent's or family member's credit card. If the card issuer reports authorized users and the account has a strong payment history, that information may appear on your credit report. This can help you build credit alongside your own account instead of depending on someone else's forever. Now let's cover the mistakes that keep many first-time users from making progress. Never miss a payment, because late payments can remain on your credit report for years. Don't apply for several credit cards at once, since multiple applications in a short period can make lenders more cautious. Also avoid using your entire credit limit every month. Keeping your balance low makes your credit profile look healthier. Check your credit reports regularly to confirm your account is reporting correctly. If you don't see your new account after a reasonable reporting period, contact the card issuer or lender to make sure everything is working as expected. Building credit at 18 is straightforward. Open one account that reports to the credit bureaus, pay every bill on time, avoid unnecessary applications, and stay consistent month after month. Start with one good habit instead of chasing several products at once. If this helped you, choose one credit building option that fits your situation today. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple credit guides.